What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi cell phone keeps overheating. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here if you have enabled too many features that you are not using, then turn them off. Like if you are using Wi-Fi, then turn off mobile data. If you are not sharing Bluetooth, then turn off Bluetooth. Turn off hotspot. You can turn off location if you are not using. And turning off the unused features can help you to fix the overheating issue. Now after this, if you're still facing the issue, then you might have opened too many apps in the background. So close the apps. So to close, tap on this recent key, and from here swipe left or right to clear the apps in the recents. And clearing the app running in the background can fix your overheating issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Tap on about phone and then tap on the software version. And from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any pending update, then update your phone to the latest version to fix the overheating issue in your phone. So that's how you can fix the overheating issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.